Cheers, my dear friends. Today I stand before you to speak on a topic that is not just written in our constitution but engraved in the soul of our nation, fundamental duties. We all talk about our rights. We demand them, we celebrate them, and we fight for them. But how often do we talk about our duties? How often do we ask ourselves, what have I done for my country? Rights give us freedom, but duties give that freedom meaning. One of our fundamental duties say to cherish and follow the noble ideal of the freedom struggle. These are not mere words, they are a reminder that freedom was not gifted, it was earned through blood, sacrifice, and courage. When we respect this legacy, we honor those who made India a free nation. Another duty calls upon us to respect the Constitution, the national flag, and the national anthem. Respect is not just standing straight during the anthem, it is standing tall in our character, standing firm in our principle, and standing united as Indians. Our Constitution urges us to promote harmony and spirit, common brotherhood among all Indians. This means no discrimination, no hatreds, and no division. A true Indian sees strength in diversity and unity in differences. We are asked to protect and improve the natural environment like forests, lakes, rivers, and wildlife. Today, when climate change threatens the whole world, this duty becomes even more important. Every tree we plant, every drop of water we save, and every plastic item we refuse is our salute to Mother India. Another duty tells us to develop a scientific temper, humanism, and spirit of inquiry. This means asking questions, seeking truth, and embracing progress. A nation grows when its people think and think fearlessly. One of the most noble duties is to defend the country and render national services when called upon. We may not be the soldiers, but we can be the responsible citizen of our country. Our honesty, discipline are also a service to the nation. My friends, a nation is not pulled by its government, soldiers, or leaders alone. A nation is built by its people, by you, by me, by all of us. Let us not be the citizen who ask only, what can my country give me? Let us be the citizen who say proudly, here is what I give to my country. And if we fulfill our fundamental duties, then every Indian, big or small, rich or poor, become a guardian of the nation. And when 140 crore guardians stand together, no power on earth can stop India from becoming the greatest nation in the world. Thank you. Jai Hind.